Let's take a look at the integrations menu in Kron PAM, which enables administrators to seamlessly connect Kron PAM with external systems like Active Directory, email servers, and SIEM solutions. These integrations extend Kron PAM's capabilities, enhancing user management, notifications, and logging for a more comprehensive security solution. First, let's set up an Active Directory integration to import users into Kron PAM. The administrator begins by creating a configuration, starting with a name for the Active Directory setup. Next, administrator enters the URL for the Active Directory or LDAP server, along with the domain address, username, and password required for access. The administrator also specifies the base DN and search filters to define which users and groups will be imported. If the server is an Active Directory server, the Active Directory switch must be enabled. Once the Active Directory server configuration is saved, users can be imported periodically through an automated LDAP import job, or the system administrator can trigger synchronization manually. Multiple Active Directory servers can be configured to provide flexibility in importing users from different domains or organizational units. Kron PAM administrators can also configure an email server, which is used for sending notifications, MFA tokens, approval requests, and other alerts. Finally, Kron PAM supports integration with SIEM servers for centralized logging. The administrator enters the SIEM host address, specifies the port, and selects the log format and protocol for sending logs as syslog data. Additionally, the administrator can choose which types of logs Kron PAM will send to the SIEM server, as well as set the batch size for log transmissions. This integration helps organizations maintain a unified view of security events and supports compliance with audit requirements. Kron PAM administrator can check logs sent as syslogs. The Integrations menu in Kron PAM provides administrators with a powerful way to connect external systems, simplifying user management, streamlining notifications, and enhancing logging capabilities.